Sinan, the chief architect of the Ottoman Empire, is more than the architect of the Süleymaniye and Selimiye mosques. He is an artist who produced works in every area relating to all aspects of social life as well. In the 16th century, 33 aqueducts, 5 of which were built for monumental purposes, 28 of which were minor, and 1 cubicle had been built for the era's one of the major irrigation projects named Kırkçeşme. The oldest document concerning the Kırkçeşme project, which has a length of over 55 kilometers and is believed to be Sinan's original drawing, is the conduction sketch preserved today at the Topkapı Palace. Sinan gave detailed briefings in this sketch, and the measurements he specified are in accordance with modern measurements which have been made. The Havz-ı Kebir, meaning the master pool, is the grand pool where the water from the streams and aqueducts joined. The gallery passes over Alebey stream and Maglova aqueduct 2,013 meters after the master pool. Maglova is the forecoming monumental aqueduct of the Kırkçeşme hydraulic conduction. The Maglova aqueduct consists of 16 arches in total. With the height of 47 meters, which is higher than a 14-story building, the aqueduct's base arc has the width of only 4.5 meters. The fact that such a delicate structure could endure earthquakes and thunder for centuries proves the excellence of Sinan's engineering intelligence. Among the water supply systems, Maglova is equivalent to the Süleymaniye or Selimiye, both in architectural and engineering aspects. After Maglova, the water gallery reaches Güzelce Kemer. Water running on the gallery above joins the gallery of Çebeceköy, and thus Güzelce Kemer constitutes an important aqueduct of the Kırkçeşme water supply system project. The 2-storied Uzun Kemer, which stands on the west wing of the Kırkçeşme, is the greatest construction of the establishment, with its length of 711 meters. There are 50 arches on the upper, 47 arches on the lower stories. The arches, with 25 meters in height, are typically structures of the Ottomans. Kovuk Kemer, or Kırık Kemer, which is one of the 4 aqueducts of Kırkçeşme, with the utmost importance, is depicted in the Kırkçeşme conduction project as the joining point of waters coming from 2 streams. The conduction line of Kırkçeşme ends up at Erikapı Maksem, the water distribution structure, known under the name of Sabaklar, outside the city walls. In the dispensation book of Kırkçeşme and the Kağıthane water lines, it is understood that the Erikapı Maksem has been built by Sinan. During Sinan's lifetime, more than 300 fountains feeding from this establishment were built. The Kırkçeşme water lines, which are the greatest and the most important water project of the 16th century, supplied Istanbul's water requirements until the 1980s, when the fountains lost their importance, but they still function with proper care. The bridge, which was built in Istanbul in the years when the Kırkçeşme water lines were completed, reminds one of the waves of the Marmara Sea, with their smooth, sharp, and geometrical perspectives. Between the sea and the lake, and on the low surface of the 4 small islands placed in the middle of the mellow topography circling the lake, the sloping lines of the 4 times ascending and descending road is a significant product of Sinan's original world of forms. Approaching the city from the west, 2 inscriptions situated right by the bridge with a majestic expression can be noticed. These inscriptions, facing each other, like doors opening to both sides of the bridge, welcome travelers to Istanbul. On the other side of the bridge, the Sinan fountain overlooking it seems to carry the waters of Kırkçeşme to our days. The caravanserai opposite the mosque depicts a distinct view with its 24 furnaces aligned on both sides reciprocally. Like the Haseki Hurrem Sultana public bath built opposite of St. Sophia, all of Sinan's works are in one way or another connected with water. The Haseki Hurrem Sultana bath is one of the most accomplished among Sinan's 56 public baths. The building, consisting of two different sections for men and women, is an exceptional masterpiece with its 75-meter-long body and its cooling sections following the dressing and the entrance sections, each covered by a dome on each side. The Haseki Hurrem Sultana bath's striking architecture of refined forms, in contrast with the sophisticated Saint Sophia, is a major signature by Sinan in civil architecture. Another example of Sinan's sophisticated architecture is the Tophane cistern. The cistern was built as a cannon foundry during the reign of Kanuni Sultan Süleyman. The building is now in use as a department of Mimar Sinan University at the Tophane district in Istanbul. Considering the high period of the empire in science and education, as in every other aspect, the importance Sinan gave to the building of medreses, or Muslim theological schools, is better understood. Among his numerous medreses, the medreses of Rustem Pasha and Cafer Ağa especially are independent institutions, and not a part of a complex. Also, today education is being given in their historical rooms. The most beautiful example of Sinan's works for social cooperation is without a doubt his public kitchens, known as imaret. The major parts of the 22 public kitchens he built are serving the same purposes, even today. All these works in his lifetime of 100 years, and which have endured for 500 years, are examples of how Sinan's architectural know-how and artistic power were combined and merged with social life.